Yes, undoubtedly it's a beautiful day, and right now I'm in my home garden. So actually I'm creating this video not to show the natural beauty, but just to show something that I found something interesting in my home garden in the last month. Yeah, actually it's a bird nest. So before going into discussions, let's have a look at the bird nest, and we'll see what we can discuss about it and what should you know if you are a bird watcher. I mean, an avid bird watcher. So I want all of you. I welcome all of you to the channel RUSLexplorer. And yes, this video will be about another bird species and its nest, which was built recently in my home garden. Okay, so as I told before, let's have a look at the nest. Right, so if we discuss about this interesting nest and the eggs, so actually this is a nest of red-vented bulbul. So if you are a bird lover and if you are into nature, I think most of you know or may have seen this this kind of nest in your home gardens, among the trees, bushes, etc., etc. So I just want to give some important facts about this red-vented bulbul. So actually they lay eggs mainly in two distinct seasons in a year. So one season is from March to May, and the other season is from August to September. But it is said that it lays eggs throughout the year, and they can actually have multiple clutches. So in a single clutch they lay 2 to 3 eggs. So these are common and general breeders, actually residents in my country. They make a cup-shaped nest, as you saw in the video, using twigs, these roots, and grass, and they bind it with cobwebs. So these birds are widely spread throughout the Indian subcontinent, including Sri Lanka, then Burma, and in certain places in Tibet. There are several other facts I need to tell you, but before that, let's see this bird, the red-vented bulbul, in action in my home garden. Here we go again. So actually this is the green grape vine which is growing behind my house, I mean in the home garden, actually behind my room where I'm studying. So this is that red-vented bulbul nest I showed you, but right now there are no eggs. So to be honest, when I am videoing that video is showing you the eggs, the parents, I mean the red-vented bulbuls, saw that I am touching this nest, and from the other day onward the eggs are not here. So I mean, what I can say about this is these birds are really watchful, and and also they are very aggressive birds. They give great protection to their birdlings. So yeah, so unfortunately I didn't have the opportunity to record the birdlings and the activities. So so the thing is, these birds are really sensitive, and I read many books written in local language about bird watching in my country, Sri Lanka, and I found something interesting about this bird. The bird lovers say, the bird watchers say that there are some birds who build nests close to human habitats, and the red-vented bulbul in Sri Lanka, who is a common breeding resident, also build nests near human habitats. So the main reason for that is to, they feel that they will get protection against their natural predators. And also, once I came to record the video including that eggs, I saw this bird who was hatching the eggs flew down to the ground, and it was just showing that it broke its wings. Just to get the attention of mine towards the bird, other than watching at this nest. So they use such tricks to protect their nest. So it's really interesting. Unfortunately, I didn't have the opportunity to see how the eggs are hatched and the birdlings and the action. So you should be very careful when you are dealing with this kind of live situations. So that's my bad. What to do? So anyhow, I think there's a small and a short video about the red-vented bulbul I saw in the home garden. Let's have a look at that and just wind up this video. Yeah, as I showed you, it's a amazing day today. So it's a very ideal day to travel and do bird watching. I saw many birds since this morning. It's really nice, really enjoyable if you can do, if you can get close to Mother Nature. So thank you so much for watching this video about this bird nest, which belongs to red-vented bulbul. Hope I gave sufficient information and instigate you to start bird watching if you haven't done as a hobby. It's simple. You don't need money or any special equipment. So step into your home gardens, try to see these things, but don't forget, don't bother these birds as I did, because I made a mistake while doing the video, because I was impatient. So really sorry about that, but I learned many things through these outdoor activities. So let me show you the surroundings. It's really nice. It's windy out here, and here's a banana tree in my home garden, and yeah, and here's me So thank you once again for watching the video. Yeah, you know what to do if you are interested to see like this type of videos. Give me a helping hand and I will definitely help you, vice versa. So I will end this video from here. Take care and please love the nature and share that information with people who are willing to do so and with the like-minded people. So I want to all of you. Let's meet again in the next week with another important video. Can be about bird watching or traveling. So bye bye for now. Take care. See you again.